Hi there, students. A barb, a countable noun. You could have an adjective as well, barbed. Let's see. A barb is something that you would find on a fish hook or on an arrow. It's a bit that's pointing backwards to make it very difficult to take the hook out. It means that the barb catches when you try to pull it out. So it's the backward pointing bit of an arrow or of a hook. You can also use the word a barb, talking about an insult, a cutting remark, a remark designed to hurt somebody. And that always made me think that the name Barbie for the doll was probably rather unfortunate, and that Barbie probably wasn't a very nice person because she was always handing out barbs to everybody she knew. Just an aside. Barbed as an adjective. So barbed wire. You could have the barbs on a piece of barbed wire, the bits sticking out that catch. Yeah. And then a barbed comment. Yeah. A cutting comment, a comment designed to hurt you. Okay, so a barb, the bit that points backwards from a fish hook, yeah, or from an arrow, making it hard to remove it, or a barb, a remark that is unkind. They're always making barbs about my terrible hairdo. Well, it's all right, yeah. Okay, he was always making barbed comments about his competitor. I think we saw this word barb in one of the live streams where narcissists love to use barbs when talking about other people. So intelligent but critical remarks intended to hurt people. Okay, so that's the idea of a barb, a deliberately hurtful remark, an insult, a jibe, a sneer. Notice we have all sorts of other unusual meanings for a barb. Let's see, a barb could be, for example, a type of fish. I think there's also a type of horse called a barb, and I also think there was some sort of cloth that you wrapped over your head in medieval times, which was also called a barb. But I think all of those are a little bit technical or old-fashioned. Okay, so a barb, this bit on a hook or a comment that's meant to be cutting. It's meant to hurt. It's meant to make somebody feel bad. Yeah, so a slight, a put down. Yeah, an aspersion, if you like. So the barbs that I made about her fashion sense hurt in exactly the way I hoped they would. Yeah, and then barbed wire, the barbs on the barbed wire caught in my trousers, and I ripped them completely. Okay, so this is barb. Let's see. As to formality, I think I'm going to give this word a 5 in formality. So use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from French, barbe, meaning a beard. And I guess the hair, the spike that's coming down is like the beard growing off the hook. And I guess that's the idea. So a barb, a backward point on a hook, a disparaging or hurtful remark. And I think those are the two most important ones. And remember as well, barbed wire. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. So, well, I hope there are no barbed comments in the comment section. Bye for now. Barb.